The Deepvue Chrome extension is now available. You can go ahead to the Chrome web store, and download the Deepvue extension. Once you download it, there's a few features that I want to cover today. One is to toggle for dark and light mode, and then you can also sign into your Deepvue account. Once you sign into your Deepvue account, let's say I go ahead and log in, you'll have the ability to import tickers that you see right into watchlists as well. So there's a few features here. If I go ahead and clear this, it will say no cache tags collected yet. You can go ahead and scan the page. This will collect all the cache tags that are available on the page. If I go to my profile, or if I go to home and kind of scroll through things, it will go ahead and scan the page for those and add them over here. Next is, if I go to add to watch list, all my watch lists are available over here. For example, if I want to add it to this particular watch list, I can go ahead and add those tickers, and it will say 7 tickers were added to my watch list. I can also copy it to clipboard if I want. Next is you can hover over any of the symbols. So what I have is a little bit of a newer build that will be released a little bit later on that has the mini charts. But what you can do is, what you will see is the SPY, the price and price percent change, along with the volume and RS and absolute strength ratings. We'll over time add more functionality that is requested by users for this. Just note that this chart is coming up along with the new UI that I've been working on for the add to watch list feature. So this on hover is available as well for you to add things to your watch list. And then also there's a tag over here. So if a tweet has cache tags, you can click this and it will copy them to your clipboard as well. So that's the Deepvue Chrome extension. I have two different builds installed. That's why you see 2 different DVs show up for every tweet that has cache tags in it. That won't be the case for you. So I hope you guys find this useful. We'll make this more and more robust over the next coming days and open to feedback and ideas.